Hello students, so let's continue with the previous live video. In the previous live video I have covered till 16 questions. So we'll start with 17th question from now on. So 17th question is from 10 to 20 questions. As I mentioned, these are assertion reason questions. So they will have two statements, one is assertion, another is reason. So we have to find whether the reason is correct explanation with respect to assertion. Then you have to take A option. If it is not the correct explanation, you have to take B. If A is true, R is false, C, and A is false, R is true as D option. Okay, so let's start with 17th question again. Different metals have different reactivity. It is with water and dilute acids. The answer is correct. The extraction of metal from its ore depends on its position with reactive series. Yes, this is also correct. Both are true, but are these related? No. Reason is not the correct explanation of R, hence the answer should be B. Okay, so reason is not the correct explanation. So it should be A and R are true but not correct explanation. Okay, let's move to the 18th question. So what is the 18th assertion? Human female has a perfect pair of sex hormones. Yes, it is true because human female has X and X hormones. This is a perfect pair. Second assertion, sex hormone contributed by the human male in the zygote decides the sex of child. Yes, this is also correct because human male contains X and Y hormone. So based upon the X or Y, whichever it is getting from male parent only, the child will be decided. Like if it is collecting, so from female definitely it will get the X hormone, but from male if it is getting X hormone then it will be female, and from male if it is getting Y hormone then it will be male. Okay, so reason is also correct, but are these two related? No. So again it is a B answer. Okay, let's go to the 19th question. Myopic eyes cannot see distant objects directly. Yes, this is true because myopia is nothing but short-sightedness. Short-sightedness means they can see the closer objects but they cannot see the farer objects. Okay, for the correction of myopia, converging lens of appropriate power are used. This is false. So answer should be C, where assertion is true but reason is false. Okay, so why? Because for myopia means I have mentioned it is a short sight. Myopia means short sightedness. So why the short sightedness will be coming means, so if you remember the human eye diagram, here we have cornea, then we have lens here which we have converging lens, which we have ciliary muscles to connect it, then we have the retina. So the light ray which is falling, it should come and stop at the retina which is at the corner. Okay, but for myopia what will happen means, this instead of falling at retina it will fall here. So to move from this point to this point, what they will use is, they will use converging lens, that is convex lens, concave lens, sorry. So for concave lens it is diverging, not converging. So diverging lens, what will happen is, they will help to move from this point to this point. Okay, so we have to use concave lens, and concave lens are diverging lens, not converging lens. Okay, here it is mentioned converging, hence this is wrong. So the option is C, where assertion is true but the reason is wrong, because you have to use concave lens, and concave lens are diverging lens. So instead of making to fall at this point, it will make sure to move that focus to the retina. Okay, This is the last, that is 20th question. The deflection of compass needles placed near a current carrying wire decreases when the magnitude of electric current increases. The answer is this is false, because the deflection of compass needle increases when the magnitude, because in the previous question, I think question number, yes, in the question number 16, I have clearly mentioned that magnetic field property depends upon the current as well. Okay, so magnetic field is as it depending upon current, means it will, if current increases, that is I value increases, magnetic field strength also increases. But here what they are saying, the deflection will decrease, hence this is wrong. What about second, the strength of magnetic field at a point due to current carrying conductor increases and increase in current? Yes, this is true. So the option should be D, where A is false and R is true. Okay, so in this way all the questions, that is from 11 to 20, all are covered. So due to some network issue, it was broken into two parts, 11 to 16 and 17 to 20. So that part is done, and I think that will get uploaded by today at the end of the day, and this also will be uploaded. Fine. So if you have doubts, you can kindly check and let me know in the comment section, so that I can check and respond to you accordingly. Okay, so in the next video I'll try to do very short answers from 2024 set A paper, I mean set 1 paper. Okay, so mostly by today or by tomorrow I will try to start this second live, I mean another live session on very short answers of set 1 2024 paper. Okay, so please do subscribe and enable your notifications, so that you can get the notification for the next video. Thank you.